Hello Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Bharat, Namaste. Follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS Essentials Running. Let's start with your reading. And this is going to be right from 24th of August and beyond, so on, okay? Let's start. The message is that you're going to read their message. Scorpions are about to read something important in their life. Maybe this is about a certain pledge, okay? Something that you're going to approve and you're going to dedicate towards your energy. You're going to work for that, okay? It is something that you will have an honor of. Okay, most probably you are getting this. However, these readings are general and may go vice versa, but I kind of get this energy of like you are receiving some honor. Okay, I'm also seeing here you will have the rose, R-O-S-E, flower. Now here you can take it as per your situation, but what I'm getting is for some of you it is like your love life starts. For some cases you found the one. Some of you are already with them, okay? Some of you are, it's like a stamping of something. It will be written, it will be registered. Something over here is starting in your life, and for many of you it is love situation as well. So I see Scorpions will have it, will have the rose of life. Maybe some of your name starts with R, or maybe the one you're dealing is having the name Rose itself, or you may be having, okay? Some of you are going to get proposed or you're going to propose, because these are vice versa. But I feel like Scorpions are going for a flow of like, you know, more deeper commitments here, and the proposals that will be affirmed here, confirmed here, and someone is so much aware about it that I know what do I want, okay, what do I want. So someone is taking stand and telling what I feel really, okay, and cherishing the moment. I'm also having like someone, when I said that you may have like you're taking the pledge or being selected somewhere, you won something, maybe it's like a badge you are getting. It may be something connected with the, you know, the services, armies or something like that, and you're having those badges or something. That's an honor as well, okay? Just give me a second. I'm also getting that vibe of like, something when it is being honored means it is being given to you, which is again promotion, promoting, okay? That kind of energy is coming. Now, Scorpions. So some of you are settling. Some of you are already with your person, partner. Four of Wands energy. You figured out, you found, you are possible shifting in this. So this is, for many of you, I kind of get this vibe of something new, okay? So this is Four of Wands energy. And I heard the word approval. So maybe you are getting approval of something, you're buying something or you bought, and now it's like finalizations, and now you own it. When we say you own it, means it's yours and no one can, you know, now disturb you. So you can put that board on that D and D, do not disturb kind of energy, okay? Let's see what is the overall energy. However, you have one of like you because of water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, but this is your scorpionic vibe here. And I feel with this that it's you looking at something with appreciation. You are loving it. You're feeling even honored. I'm telling you, this may be some event happening. You're being invited there. You're being honored, you know, and you're very happy. So something that you're going to be happy about. Life is giving you beautiful chance here that you really appreciate, and you're going to appreciate. Some of you are going to get hold of your love situations or relationship situation, and it's going to go beautifully, okay? So let's see what is your heart energy. Okay, you're sorting things out, means kind of like you're not confused, you know, it's just that you are giving it or something last look, so that you know that you have done full for that particular work or situation, and now you can head towards making this beautiful big decision of your life. That's what at least I look at it, okay? So you have Two of Pentacles energy, but you know, so you have decided something here. Decision is here, you'll have it. So you are going in for something that is more important, that is rose for you. Rose is your life. You're having certain things, you might be feeling like were out of control, or this energy is all about saying bye to something, which in this case is telling me that you are having your life back, or you wanted this all the time, and you know how you're going to prioritize something, and you are actually coming out of this juggle. Because when you know that this is the problem, or this is what is making me confused, I have to make decision, and you're doing that. So this energy is all about taking right decisions. Ace of Wands is my karma card, and Ace of Wands is your action oriented approach here, okay? And you know what do you want, and that's what is seeing the growth in. That's what I say. You're being there's a promoted, so possibly you're being promoted in something, okay? Maybe your relationship is getting a promotion. Now when we talk about promotion, is going further, and which is good sign. You have the Chariot card, the movement, travel, trip. I'm also hearing, I suddenly heard a foreign trip. I don't know for what purpose you're going, possible business or love related, but that's a decision here. Again, the Chariot is all about you bringing your mind and heart on in balance here, and you're taking decision which is more important for you, or this is it kind of energy. So you'll have the rose, you'll have your life in control, you'll have your badges in control, you'll have the honorable life here. If it's you, this is the situation, okay? Some of you are deciding between the places, so maybe this is about choices, maybe places, you know, you're deciding on whether I should be here, I should be there. So before you make any decision, this may be something connected with even higher study. If this is not the case, this may be something that I want to go this way and I am going to go this way. So your past does represent your present situation, okay? Something that is gone and way past, and you can catch up with that stuff, but you really need to figure out the stuff, you can. But then again, this energy is telling you where you are heading, and you are heading, this Chariot is moving in your present, okay? So maybe you took the decision here. Maybe you took the decision in the month of July. Yes. And that's why maybe something kept you confused, or kept you juggled, or maybe those were situations, those were making things emotionally even, and you know, financially, or something like difficult for you, and it stretched possible for 2 to 3 years in your life, possible. But when you are coming to solution, it is like your highest move here. You'll have the rose, okay? You'll have your life. It took time, but you are taking finally decision. Let's see in your present. Scorpions. Okay, fine. So in your present, it's about drawing the line. I kind of get this energy. 5 of Swords energy. You're not going to talk. It's about hardly, but you're not going to talk. I feel with the vibe of Justice at the bottom, Libran energy, but with the Justice energy, I feel it is right time to take right decision, and finally you are taking certain decision which is making sense, and you're drawing the line in your present about your move. It is about no contact. Yes, maybe because it is supposed to be, because I said that some of you are getting your life back, which is you're taking back control of your life, your decisions, okay? You're not like, you know, telling everything to the particular energy where you're drawing the line for. At least I see that, okay? It is the energy where in present moment you might be feeling, oh my God, this is new place. Oh my God, this is my new job. Or, oh my God, kind of energy when you feel really, kind of, how we can say, it's just a saying that we feel odd one out because people are new there, or the zone is new, or something is there, but or some new responsibility is on your shoulders. You feel that vibe, but when you vibe with energies, you're going to be fine. For now, possibly you're going to feel like this is like an alienated area, or alienated kind of energy, because the person who is going through with that stuff, they know it. So it is something you might feel like empty or hollow. You might be missing something. You might miss the place you left. You might miss the job place, or the home place. You know, this kind of energy when happens, it's like moving out of comfort zone. So something is happening here that is pushing you to take some step, and you're moving out of comfort zone possible. And with this justice possible, this is like many of you are coming out of healing, or some court cases or something. When court case is possible, relationship related, or some stuff that you dealt within the premises, and now here it's being tolerated so much by you possible. Okay, now Scorpions, I'm okay. Where you are heading? What you can't tell? Okay, so I do, if you're new to the channel, I do read it that way. Okay, they're saying Scorpions can tell, and I feel like possible the one who is listening to me, if it resonates with you, you can tell to someone in specific. Okay, it's also connected with certain kind of rumors, and you don't want it to spread. Okay, so you are keeping low profile here, especially with the Chariot card. I feel like you don't want to say, tell, reveal anything where you are heading. They're also saying you can't tell, and there is someone who pretends possible to be your friend, and they took advantage way back of your nice behavior, and I feel like you're ending things with that person as well. So you're not even telling this person. So I feel like they created that kind of draggy energy for you, or this is something that you are done with. You're winding up something here, and you're heading towards something. Okay, this energy might be of once upon a time, but you know, obviously, and that's why it's King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius possible. Let's see. Maybe Leo, strength. I heard they cannot keep things to themselves, and that's why maybe because of that something is spreading or did spread. Now when that happened, it created problem between you and this person. Maybe someone tried to control you, but in the future energy you have strength. Strength is the card of you bonding. Okay, now maybe this is a new bond with the Leo in specific. If that's not the case, it's like, because I said you'll have the Rose, but it is also something that you are gaining your strength back, which is you are putting things in control, and you are in control. Okay, now you know what you need to say, what not, because maybe in the past time frames you said so much to energies because you trusted them. I see, while looking at this particular energy, someone who was very close to you, you know, it was you cannot trust this energy anymore. Whoever this person is, they were close friend, you know, someone broke your heart and disappointed you. So maybe this was like your friend, and your friend disappointed you or betrayed you, and they if you had a partner and your friend was involved, like an intruder kind of energy, if it makes sense in Three of Swords. If not, this is someone who disappointed you. Let's see what's beyond. I heard some of you will be out of system. Like system means you are going to have something on your own. Okay, so, or maybe something you did out of system, but it will be praised because you did it and you took the decision at the right time. Okay, you arranged something, you did some here action. I feel whatever it is, maybe it is out of system or rules and norms and you have to follow it and blah blah blah, but you did it in a different way. Okay, and you're being known for that. So beyond is, I feel like you people are having a startup here right after decision, confusions, you know, all these things. You're drawing line here, and with this strength energy you're heading towards this King of Swords. So maybe this is maybe falling in your chart. If that's not the case, this is a person of Gemini, Libra, Aquarius vibe, and this energy is all about, regardless of king, queen, this is all about your affection, your new rose. I feel new life in the person possible. Some of you are heading towards serious, sincere commitment here. The Hierophant. I also see new joinings. I'm telling you that. New joinings. Let's see. I need to know what is with that rose. You'll have the rose. Because I see it's like coming for you. It's coming. So something is coming. Three of Pentacles. Recognition. In one go, you'll have your life, you'll have the control, you'll have collaboration, sponsorships, you'll have recognition. I talked about promotions, badges, you know, some stuff like that. Honor, you'll be honored here. Yes. So 3 of Pentacles, like you're flowing in the right direction. Love will be recognized, okay? Let's see. What do we have info? Have Rose. Okay, I'm going to stop because this card was coming in like this, okay? So you have 7 of Cups and you have possibility. So it's going to be the time frame when there's going to be lot of choices and season of change, and you'll have all things by your side in order to choose from that. Even love matters. So I feel like you'll have the Rose, you'll have the playful energy, and all you need to choose is the right cup here, okay? You'll have it, especially in the area or place where you are possible right now. There's loyalty that is coming, okay? Something that won't flip, something that won't change, something that won't clog, I feel, okay? I hope this is going to help you. Take care, and I love you. Bye.